Interest coverage ratio tells us about the ability of a business to pay interest on its long-term debt. Interest coverage ratio is equal to EBIT, that is earnings before interest and tax divided by interest. This interest is on long-term debt. Friends, a high interest coverage ratio is considered as good for the business, as it indicates that the firm is in a good position to pay interest on its long-term debt. A low interest coverage ratio raises doubt on the ability of a business to pay interest on its long-term debt. Friends, now I will explain the interest coverage ratio with the help of an example. In this question, profit after interest and tax is given as 1,98,000. Tax rate is given as 20%. And interest on long-term debt is given as 60,000. So friends, first we will calculate the earnings before interest and tax. Since in this question profit after interest and tax is given, so first we will calculate earnings before interest and tax. So since tax rate is 20%, so first we will calculate profit before tax, earning before tax. So if profit after tax is 80, then profit before tax is 100. So if profit after tax is 1,98,000, profit before tax is equal to 100 divided by 80 into 1,98,000, which is equal to rupees 2,47,500. This is the profit before tax. So now we will calculate profit before interest and tax, or earning before interest and tax. So earning before interest and tax is equal to 2,47,500 plus the amount of interest on long term debt, that is 60,000. So 2,47,500 plus 60,000 is equal to 3,07,500. So now we will calculate interest coverage ratio, which is equal to EBIT divided by interest. So EBIT is 3,07,500 divided by 60,000, which is equal to 5.125 times. So interest coverage ratio is 5.125 times.